Okay, we're taking the inside out in here, so what we want to do before we cut it out is we're going to drill a hole for our screw. So when we put it inside the head, we'll put a screw in there. So we've drilled a hole in through here, and then we've gouged it out some so our screw will inset in there. So now we're ready to, we'll go ahead and cut this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.